Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the watch. Charge it above half so the phone and watch don't interrupt. Once charged, open settings on the watch or the companion app, then go straight to display. Make sure you disable raise to wake temporarily so the screen won't toggle while you change modes. This prevents accidental timeouts. These are the fundamentals that let you safely enable the only supported always-on method without constant interruptions or wasted battery during setup. Once done, find the display option labeled Always On, Ambient Mode, or Screen Always On. Firebolt models use one of these. Turn that mode on, then immediately pick a minimal watch face and drop brightness to the lowest readable level to conserve power. Next, set the screen timeout to the longest available or indefinite if shown. These choices let the watch maintain a visible display while reducing battery impact. They are the actual control points for keeping the display active. Finish by saving settings and letting the watch run. Observe battery use over the next 24 hours so you know realistic runtime. If you don't see any always-on or ambient option, make sure the watch firmware and companion app are updated. Many models add features via updates. Restart the watch to apply settings. If it still won't stay on, consider a factory reset or contact support. One troubleshooting tip: if the screen still times out, a firmware lacking AOD is usually the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.